Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kali.alexandria and I just want to start this video by saying if I'm talking differently, I'm so sorry. I am still recovering from my nose job, so my upper lip is just so tight. So if I'm like smiling differently, if I'm trying to smile, that is why. But I'm so excited you guys are here today because I'm going to be showing you a couple different heatless hairstyles that I use. You guys know I love my hair care routine and trying to get healthy hair. If you guys haven't seen my healthy hair care videos, I'll leave a couple suggested and then down in the description. Definitely go check those out, but make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel because I post Wednesdays and Sundays, and give this video a like if you enjoy it, or let me know down in the comments if you guys have any other hairstyles that you guys are like your go-to hairstyles, because I would love to know those as well. But yeah, without further ado, let's get right on into the hairstyles. Okay, Callie from the future here, and in this short and sweet video I'm just showing you some quick hairstyles that you guys can do without really styling your hair. So this first one is a low messy bun. This is my go-to, especially on a 5-day-old hair, and I just like to make it really messy, and I think it's so cute from the side profile as well, and just pulling those hairs out make it so much better. But then the second one is a high messy ponytail, and for this one I am just getting all of my hair on top of my head, and then I'm also using this tech brush, which is my favorite. It's handmade in Italy. I'll link it down below, and I'm just gathering the hairs all up the top of my head. Oh, don't mind me, I'm just gonna mess up on this voiceover, but we're gonna keep going because hashtag real. And then I'm pretty much gonna do the same thing and just pull hairs out as well. But seriously, if you guys don't use telly ties already, they are amazing for ponytails and buns because they hold your hair so dang well. Highly recommend those. And then of course I'm just kind of adding a little bit of volume, and definitely you could put dry shampoo before you do this as well. That'll give it a lot more volume too. But now I just brush it out and then just make it messy because we're all about that messy look. For this next hairstyle, I am doing a high bun this time, and I'm just gathering all my hair as you can see at the moment. But I love high buns with different accessories, so I don't know if you guys have seen the trend all over Instagram and social media, but just putting cute little accessories in your hair, just give it a little bit of a spice, and it's also super trendy. You can get them for super cheap. I'll leave the ones that I use down below, but honestly, like any store, Amazon, you'll be able to find them, and I just think they just add a little bit of pop and just a little something something with your outfit. One of my very favorite hairstyles to do is just the half up, half down. And if your hair hasn't been styled really, or it just has a little bit of a wave, I do think it is super cute. And again, you can add hair accessories as well, but I just love the bun look. Okay, when I was filming this video, I didn't want it to be too complex because I know those videos that I see sometime on the internet, I literally can't do. And I really can't do too many braids, but a fishtail is super easy to do. I highly recommend you guys trying to do that. And just on the side, it looks so cute. And especially if you put a pair of sunnies on, and for a spring or summer day, this just is so adorable. And you don't have to do any styling on your hair at all. But now I'm just like taking it out and doing a regular braid because I wanted to show you guys that you can also do this with just a regular braid if you don't want a fishtail. And then of course, adding the pink touch. Okay guys, that is going to conclude today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Again, make sure you subscribe to me because I post Wednesdays and Sundays. Give this video a like if you did like it, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!